Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. On this video we're going to be talking about layouts and pages and how to create them and organize them. So first off, we're going to click on this first icon over here and it's going to take you to your layouts page. Over here you can see all your layouts and you can also add a layer down over here. We're going to go ahead and click on that. Once you click on it, you can go ahead and choose any of the layouts that you want. I'm just going to choose a blank for now just so you guys can see it, how it would look like. You can name your layout. Click confirm and your layout is going to be added to your layouts list. Next up, if you click on your layout, it's going to take you to your pages, and here are your pages. I just have one right now, so I'm just going to show you my other one. Here you're going to see your list of pages. Up here you can select this to make it a restricted area, and just keep in mind guys that if you guys want to make a restricted area, you guys would actually need to create a new layout. For example, like this one, as I created, you can see that I selected as a restricted area. Just keep that in mind. If you guys create a restricted area page on the same layout as your other pages, it will not be working. And here's going to be your settings icon where you can click on it and change your favicon, your title, the description, your keywords, your meta tags. You can also set up a Facebook pixel script, your analytics script, and also your page scripts. And over here you can also integrate your mailing boss to your pages. If you guys do anything over here, just remember to save it, and once you guys save it, it's going to take you back to this page over here. This is how you can customize your fonts. Over here you can change your background, and here you can also delete your layout. If you want to filter your layouts, you can filter them by using this, for example like this. And down here on the pages, you can see that this is my home page, so it shows a little home icon over here. If I want to edit a page, I would come to over here, click on configure. This is going to be to duplicate your page. This is going to be to transfer your page. This are just your page stats. Over here you can change the background and also delete it. Down here you can configure your pop-up. You can change the name of your page, the address, your title page, your description, and also the keywords. If you guys change on anything over here, you can also press the update so you can update your page. You can share an image, and you can also edit your page head scripts. And lastly, you can tag your mailing boss reference over here. If you guys do anything over here, just remember to save it. If you save it over here, always also remember to save it down over here. Once you save it, all your pages are going to be saved and all your layouts are going to be saved. If you want to see how they look, you can go over here and select preview. If you click on preview, that's going to be your website preview, and you can see all your pages and layouts. This is going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.